Protect your entire computer, including the operating system and application configurations, and recover them via the on-site IDrive BMR device. Connect your device to the Internet. Access the device interface via the web console. Sign in to idrive.com with your iDrive BMR Pro or Cube credentials. All the devices associated with your account are listed in the BMR Devices tab. Navigate to the required device, click Connect, and sign in to the iDrive BMR device with the password provided by our team. Configure your encryption settings. You can choose default encryption or set a private encryption key to protect your data. A new tab will provide browser-based access to the device web interface. Alternatively, access the iDrive BMR device interface from any computer that is on the same network as the device. Navigate to bmrdevice.idrive.com on your browser. All online iDrive BMR devices on the network, along with their IP addresses, will be listed. Click Connect and sign in to the iDrive BMR device with the password provided by our team. On the dashboard, download the agent and install it on the system you want to back up. Once the agent installation is complete, the device detects the agent and starts full backup automatically, as per global backup settings. Click the Backup Settings icon to configure the backup interval, schedule, retention settings, and more. Organize machines into groups for better backup management.